back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another episode of Life with Sugar. So I am Ebony.sugarr. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial, or I don't know what I'll call it, but I got this synthetic wig and I want to revive it. It's old, like down is getting strong, and I'm trying to revive it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I want you to join me in reviving this wig. But before I go into this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share it, tell your friends friends. You should please help share this video. They should like it and they should please subscribe to my channel. Wow, my wig is something else. Like, I need to do it. So just join me as I try it out, or I've not tried it out before. Please don't forget to subscribe. So guys, this is like a cold process, not a hot process. The hot process, you actually use the hot water to do it, but here I'm just using a cold process. So I have my normal regular shampoo, relax. I have my relax conditioner. Then I have a bowl of water here. Then I have my leave-in conditioner. It helps softens the hair. Yeah, so this is my wig. So first of all, I'll just put my conditioner, my shampoo, sorry, into the water. And my shampoo bottle is broken. Then I mix it. I can see it's forming. The water is cold. Whoa. Then I'll bring my wig. So yeah, this is my wig. Let me brush it out first. Wow, but this wig was so beautiful when I bought it. Like, everybody admired it. Now it's like this because of lack of care. So this is my wig. I'll brush it and I'll put it into the water. So yeah, I feel like this shampoo I put is not enough. I don't know, but that is just how I feel. Let me just add a bit. Yeah. Okay, so now I'll just put in my conditioner. Should I put it in like this? I don't know, should I just put it in. Oh. Wow, this is so I really love the fragrance. It's really nice. I don't know, because I feel like I'm not applying this right, so let me just add water. Just that's a little bit of water. Put the conditioner inside the water. Put it to the water down. Then I'll put my conditioner. 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 Okay, so it's time to deep condition it. Alright guys, so this is how the wig looks after it got dried. It came back to its normal state, very soft. So I'm just to stretch this out for the final look. Wow, my wig is back. Like, I can't believe it. This is my first time of trying this and it's so fun. I also want to trim them out, yeah. Okay, so I'm stretching the hair right now for the final look. If you watch this video to this point, then you're the real G's, like you're the real G's. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel. My wig is back. That's all I can say, and I'm so happy. Thank you for watching to this point. Bye.